Hey there, iPhone users! Welcome to Eassiy Official. To set a password on apps in iPhone, it's essential to ensure privacy and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Here's how to do it. Why should I set a password on apps on iPhone? Setting a password on your apps enhances security by keeping personal and sensitive data protected from unauthorized access. This is especially important for apps with financial information, private conversations, or sensitive documents. How to set a password on apps on iPhone quickly and easily? In the latest iPhone iOS versions, securing your apps with Face ID or Touch ID is simple. Just go to the app you want to protect, tap and hold on the app icon, and you'll find options like Require Face ID or Require Touch ID to lock the app. Select your preferred option, and Apple will prompt you to confirm the action. Once set, whenever you return to the app, it will require Face ID or Touch ID authentication to open, ensuring your apps are securely protected. More ways to lock apps on iPhone. Method 1. Lock apps on iPhone using Screentime Passcode, which is available on iOS 12 or later. Screentime Passcode is a simple and effective method to lock apps on your iPhone. To set it up, open the Settings app, locate Screentime, and tap on it. Then scroll down and select Screentime Passcode, where you'll need to enter a 4-digit passcode and confirm it. Next, enter your Apple ID and password to validate the passcode. After confirming, tap Add at the top of the page. Go back to the Screentime page and tap on App Limits, then select Add Limit, choose the apps you want to lock and set a time limit for each. After the specified time limit, your selected apps will be locked, ensuring your personal content remains secure by restricting access after 1 minute of inactivity. Method 2. Lock apps on iPhone using the first-party trick. If you're looking to lock only the built-in apps on your iPhone, the first-party trick can help you achieve this. This method only works for apps created by Apple, so third-party apps cannot be locked using this technique. To use it, first, launch the Settings app and select Screentime. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, then choose the Allowed Apps option. Finally, toggle off the switches next to the built-in apps you want to lock. This will prevent access to those apps without affecting third-party apps on your iPhone. Method 3. Lock apps on iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID. Another effective way to lock apps on your iPhone is by using Face ID or Touch ID. This method ensures that only you can access the apps with your unique biometric data, making it impossible for others to open them. To set this up, go to the Settings app and tap on Face ID and Passcode, then enter your passcode to proceed. In the top section under Use Face ID toggle on the apps you want to lock using Face ID or Touch ID. Next, tap on Other Apps and enable the toggle next to the app you wish to secure with Face ID or Touch ID. This simple method helps you maintain privacy and secure your apps. Best solution to bypass iPhone Screentime Passcode. In minutes, 100% works. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is trusted software that disables screen time on iPhones or iPads without needing the passcode or affecting data. Depending on your iOS version, it can remove or recover the passcode. It also unlocks disabled devices and bypasses iCloud or Apple ID. Simply install Passixer iPhone Unlocker from the official website. Install it on your device, then open the software. Select Screen Time, connect your device via USB, and follow the on-screen steps. For devices running iOS 12 or later, if the Find My feature is disabled, Passixer will automatically begin removing the Screentime passcode. For iOS 11 or earlier, if the iTunes backup is not encrypted, the software will proceed with the removal directly. However, if the backup is encrypted, you can use the Passixer Remove Backup Encryption Settings option if you forgot the password. Otherwise, you must enter the iTunes backup password to decrypt it. Once decrypted, Passixer will retrieve and display the Screentime passcode, which you can then enter on your device to turn off screen time. If you have any questions or need additional help, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next one and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is truly appreciated.